Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Yeah. Fellow compadre de speak. So it looks like Dogecoin has gone down a lot further than we anticipated. So what we're going to do in this video is just simply keep it simple, of course, and give you the alternative level that Dogecoin could go down to, as well as a range of interest that Dogecoin might be hanging out within for some time. At this point, I do not have a direction in the market, although on the last video post we did have a trajectory, but the level that we predicted was not sufficient. So we'll go over the alternative level and get right into the details here. So let's do it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, my loyal subscribers. Go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today is December the 22nd, 2024, and the current price of Dogecoin, 32 cents, slightly positive 2.7% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's pull up the levels. All right, so we're taking a look at weekly candles, and of course, many of you know, are incorrect, inaccurate. That's right, I was wrong about that level right around there approximately. So the 37.5, I think we referred to it as some like tap dancing. That was of course incorrect. We figured if Dogecoin was going to have that trajectory to the upside that we were anticipating, as we are still long Dogecoin, it must have stayed above this level here at about 37.54-ish. Okay, so since that did not happen, let's go ahead and keep this simple, of course, and go to the alternative level, which would be the, I'm not saying it's going to get this low, and if it does, it's just fine. It's normal as the price action has consolidated. Yes, remember we went over that, guys. The price action has made a beautiful consolidation structure formed down here near the 5-cent level, even as high as about 10 cents, right? Broke out, came down, confirmed the consolidation phase, and it took off. Okay, so all of this price action, whether you bought in the higher levels or the previous levels, whether it's high or not, 37-40 cents, and it's maybe you're possibly down on your investment, everything is normal in terms of the price action. Okay, so what I do is very simple. I revert back to the previous level of resistance. That's right, folks. If the market continues lower, that is perfectly normal and within what price action normally does when it breaks out of a consolidation range, right? And it wants to verify that everything is okay, as again, we've just, verified the consolidation, come up, back test, take off, okay? So very simple, just go to that previous level of resistance on the breakout or after the breakout, and that level will be about 22 cents. Wow, it took pretty long for us to get to that, right? 22 cents is the previous level of resistance that if the market does continue to show signs of sellers having an advantage here, that it would be the only level as a potential back test and of course continue higher. All right, unfortunately, I know some of you want me to give like Dogecoin price target if it breaks like higher than, I don't know, 50-70 cents. I do not have that at this moment. But however, as the price action continues to develop and the market continues to break highs and of course back test previous levels of resistances, then we'll have a better idea of where Dogecoin can go to the upside. But let's keep it, let's take one step at a time here. And 22 cents is the first level, and I did tell you guys I would give you a range. So the next level will simply be the level that we explored on the last video post, okay? 0.3754-ish. All right, so I think that would be the range for Dogecoin to just kind of hang out. I know, perma bulls, that's not what you want to hear. You want to hear $1 Dogecoin. I want to see $1 Dogecoin, right? We're still long the market, but I think if you just give little Doge some time, I think that the structure that it's forming will be in the best interest for the health and wellness of this crypto, at least for the mid-term, okay? Slightly long-term, all right? No, a lot of people don't believe in Dogecoin. They think it's just a pump and dump. That's fine, guys. My job is just to turn on the mic and give you the gestures as I'm seeing it in the charts, and that's what I've done, and that is what I'm seeing. 22 cents up to 0.37.5 cents is where I'm seeing Dogecoin just kind of hang out here for some time. Hopefully for, a reasonable amount of time. Let's give it a good 3 months for starters. I know, not what you want to hear, but let's just start with about 3 months. What are we in December now? So let's March. Okay, let's say Dogecoin is hanging out in between 22 cents, just kind of shaking some of the guys out, going all the way down 22 cents, going up slowly, getting rejected from the 0.375 level. And it's just, no one knows what's going on. Just know that the only thing that's going on is a structure is being formed as the market is walking up the stairs, is what we refer to it as. Okay, so that's all I'm seeing. I pretty much be repeating myself at this point. There's no other information that I have. As long as Dogecoin is just kind of hanging out in between 22 up to 37, that's all I got. I don't really see anything else other than take this opportunity to restructure your position if you're kind of in the higher levels right now, or of course add to your winning positions if you bought at the lower levels. And speaking of which, back in, let's see here, so on September the 27th, 2024, there was a gentleman by the name of Napolean, macro, who's never micro, who drives a Rondo. We made a video post about Dogecoin is a buy right now with the exclamation marks. At the time of the post, Dogecoin was like 12 cents. So if you guys were able to seize this as an opportunity to invest in your sim accounts on Dogecoin, then congratulations to you. All right. And of course, if you caught or seen Dogecoin going up to like 37, 40 cents and you thought that was a good time to enter, just follow through with your strategy. That's all I can have. And that's all I have for this video. Hopefully it was useful. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And that's how we're going to end out, guys. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor, of course, before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys knew, we also explore the traditional stocks from time to time, so you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now. Awkward pause. Guys and gals.